What's going on? Back once again. It's Saturday, January 26th. Right now I'm finishing up the edit for the Saturday sessions video, and that'll be up in like an hour. So I'm going to render it. It's not that long. It's like 2.5 minutes, so the render won't take that long. Then I have to make the thumbnail, get the caption for it, and then I can upload it. And then I have to take the beat I used and I have to edit that a little bit, loop it, make it a little bit longer for SoundCloud. So that's up on SoundCloud at the same time that the YouTube video goes live. After that, I have to catch up on some work that should have been done already. Look, I'm in the stage now where the things I had planned at the beginning of the year, some things are working pretty well. So I have to tweak those to make them work even better. Some things aren't working yet, and I'm going to figure out what's the best way to make them work or totally change them. And I'm open for anything. So if I have a plan and I see that it's not working, I'll just scrap that and try something else. So with this vlog series, for instance, right now I've turned it into a playlist only, so you can't see it on the channel. I like it. It's not that cluttered anymore. You can see the rest of the content. But the only thing is I can tell that people can't find these videos now. So the last one has like 13 views. But that's okay. We'll fix that. I have to promote that a little bit more so the people who do want to see it can find it. If I don't change that, then only 5 people are watching this right now. But that's going to be okay. I'm not worried about that. Now, as far as the frequency, the amount of vlogs I'll do every week, I'm definitely going to look at what works for me. The first like 3 weeks I did just every day, and I find that it's not going to be interesting enough. And I want to make sure that I'm not just documenting, but if I'm going to actually upload and show you, it has to be something that's either informative or entertaining. So I have shot videos the last couple of days. I just didn't upload them because I thought some of them weren't interesting enough, but I want to have that document for myself. And we'll see. It's probably going to be like 4 or 5 vlogs a week, something like that. And I might change that again later. I don't know. I'll see. That's just a freestyle project. Now let me go back to the beginning. When it comes to the content, like I've explained, my strategy is to have pillar content. That's a big piece of content. So for instance, the Share the Knowledge podcast and the Certified Bangers podcast. Once I record those, I can take the entire podcast, post that to the podcast platforms, and then I take individual questions, cut them up into video clips. The Certified Bangers podcast on Periscope, I take the audio, put that on Mixcloud. I still have to do that for the last episode, and I'm going to find smaller clips in there to use on Instagram as like tutorial posts. I'll show a minute of my mix, and I'll explain in the caption exactly what it is that I'm doing. I need to make sure I have steady times for that every week. I did that 2 weeks ago. I shot a podcast and I took like 2-3 hours and I chopped all the videos, rendered all of them, and then I had videos for a week. I need to make sure I have that steadily planned every week. Once that's like in place perfectly, it's okay now, but I got to do better. Then I'm going to focus on some of the things that need my attention, like the reviews and tutorials. If you have not seen my What Can I Do For You video, make sure you check that out. And in the comments section, let me know what it is you want to see on the channel. I've seen a lot of great like topics, requests, a lot of things that I already have planned, but it's mostly to see how far my my plans will fall in how should I say, if I'm on the same frequency as a lot of you as far as what you're looking for. I know the content that works best, tutorials, reviews. So that's what I'm definitely seeing in the comments. A lot of you want me to continue certain series, and a couple of new ideas that I haven't seen before. So make sure you leave your 2 cents over there. So that's it for now. Edit, make the thumbnail, get the audio up, post it, take a minute clip, make that, post that tomorrow or the day after on Instagram, and take it from there. So I'll be back soon. I gotta get this done. Peace.